If you want to maintain your privacy while using Etsy, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Open your web browser and go to the Etsy website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Privacy tab. Click on it to access your privacy preferences. Step 4. Adjust online status. Within the privacy settings, find the option related to your online status. Toggle the setting to hide your online presence from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new settings. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Etsy, allowing you to browse and shop with greater privacy.